carry me to the field. I got me to that at 13 and 14. I'll show you. 13 and 14 for the month of they want now. Jail the one there. This work can hold me. This work by getting my ear to do that. This hold me.
You mind if I record a little bit?
Yeah, you're cool. It's not bad thing in recording.
No, it's a good thing.
Talking,
Yeah, I like it.
It's real sad. It was real sad.
People don't do this no more.
With this work? Yeah, man. But
Rarely.
no, but listen to me now. They ain't got the patience. The patience they don't have. This work is a patience work, but got money. This work have money. And nobody to tell you nothing. The only body you get a problem is your customers when they come. I buy you still sing good, well, I don't think I stick it back free. You can't hear it. I stick it back free for you. Yeah, but. And I learned this work is if you know I learned this work. My daughter was 4 years old. I come by you to stitch my thing. Your wall was and you do as I do. I see the first thing you see you do is you used to wax your twine. I wax my twine. I sharpen the knife. I start channel this well. It's a small 4-year-old girl. When I reach in front, this thing carry a hook. Is this okay? If you got me finger, you start laugh. Skin your teeth, don't talk about burning inside here. Here I tell you, you sharpen your knife. And you peep it. You open back in front, tell you they open. And you see the needle and you cut to the side of the needle. You got a cloth like this, but with a green. You give me the cloth, tear a piece and tell me that this one I take it. So I learn this one. You know you want to kill me for this bullshit. Yeah, but you want to kill me for this bullshit. You know the other day I went a story of this. Here was the story, yeah. Somebody tell you I puncture your bicycle. You hear the frivolous story?
Yeah.
Then the police will take their report more stupid than you. Because why not? Now, how can you make a report of a man somebody tell you did not see a man puncture your bicycle? Why you bicycle can't pick up a tap on the road?
Yeah.
Now you as a police, you just get on the clothes because you've been a training. You know it's nothing but a police really. How you gonna lock up a man for a frivolous report like dumb body? Yeah? Now the story is so frivolous. To appearance, you're met. The manager just showed this story yesterday. Yesterday's story. Dismiss. Not discharge. Come when you get discharged, you can get recharged back. Dismiss. Yeah,
Why is the blue thing you're getting?
That's a soap. That's a soap.
Soap?
Yeah, that is normally sliding needle because sometimes you rubber a stick.
Oh.
Hold on for the needle. Constantly using.
I'm a nut free. I'm a nut. Look at the I'm a nut.
The more wide they put it, the more depth they bring in there. Right, man. I see some.
Can you teach the people them how to drive?
No, they're teaching them here, but you see this thing money. You only gotta get money, you know, you get license, you know. You know the thing, guys?
Yeah.
No experience, I think all the accident guy now so rapidly. When you check the people that were making the accident, they reach 30. They barely pass 30. What experience they get on this road as driving? You tell me.
Yeah.
So why must you get a driver's license?
Hello.
Just 23 years.
I don't normally see Papa actually this fat.
All you know is all you know to do is drive.
You see, and it's that the rules of the road is not being enforced. It was right early, my kids going to school, you get people going one direction, you get 3 lanes. How the kids don't cross the street, nobody stopping to let people cross the street and cross.
So sad it is. so
And the
sad.
police are stand up right there and see that.
Yeah.
The police have got to start enforcing harder in the first place. No overtaking. You get double line. Why you overtaking in a double line?
No, but then again, you're there in the police force, you're there in the police station, and you don't have no area, you're on the road.
You know?
You understand what I'm saying? Now what? We go so far. Against controlling the force, against it's time to resign and you step up. Why do you ask the kids of still in the road? Look the ignorance, look at how I stifling you at the back.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how you gonna get good police? You tell me. How you gonna get good police?
Nobody can move up. Nobody can. If Ina move, the other man can't move, the other man can't move.
So what's going on? This is favorism.
Yep.
Or you got something in the bag where you all feeding me easy.